Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the biggest space hogs. This is the only way to free substantial disk space fast. Use your OS storage view or a quick do/ncdu scan to list top folders, then focus on downloads, videos, VM and Docker images, and old backups. Once you see sizes, mark any file larger than 1 GB for removal or relocation. Make sure to close apps that lock files so deletions proceed cleanly and nothing stays hidden from the scan. Now you remove or archive confidently. First, copy irreplaceable data to an external drive or cloud so you can delete local copies without risk. Then clear caches, temp folders, old ISO or installer files, Docker images, and duplicate media. These usually reclaim the most space. If a folder is seldom used but valuable, archive it into a compressed file and move it off disk. Once done, verify free space again to confirm the intended recovery. Finish by permanently freeing the reclaimed space. Empty the trash or recycle bin, and if needed, unmount volumes to ensure file handles are released. Make sure to run file system maintenance like trim on SSDs or log rotation so space is actually returned. Then set retention rules and schedule periodic scans so buildup doesn't recur. If free space didn't increase, check for open processes holding files and reboot. That usually releases locked storage and resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.